Hello viewers, hope you are all well. Before I begin, I would advise all my viewers to check links of valuable resources related to CSCP exam in the description box of my video. Question number 1. Which of the following best describes Kanban? A. Card, B. Signal, C. Inventory location, D. Improvement event. The correct answer is B. Kanban can be any signal used to replenish materials. While the Japanese used cards to generate these signals, there are many visual signals used now such as empty totes, empty bins, colored squares, lights, etc. Question number 2. In order for KPI to be effective to the organization, they must have a positive effect on A. Senior management, B. Employees, C. Customers, D. Shareholders. The correct answer is C. Customers and subsequently the bottom line must be the recipient of the improvement activities. If you are conducting activities that do not add value to the customer, then they will not positively affect your company's bottom line. Question number 3. There are several factors which lead to the bullwhip effect. Which of the following is not one of the factors? A. Forecast errors, B. Price promotions, C. Shortage gaming, D. Marketing codes. The correct answer is D. The 5 factors are demand forecast errors, long lead times, order batching, price fluctuation and promotions, rationing and shortage gaming. While marketing codes could drive bad behavior, excessive promotions perhaps, they will not primarily cause the bullwhip effect to occur. Question number 4. Which of the following groups should be responsible for demand planning? A. Marketing, B. Sales, C. Production, D. Logistics. The correct answer is A. Marketing should be responsible for demand planning. They are responsible for identifying products and services to satisfy customers as well as generating sales leads. They should be the people closest to the customer. Question number 5. An event in which team members quickly improve a process is A. Setup reduction, B. Pokayoke, C. Kaizen blitz, D. Six Sigma blitz. The correct answer is C. A Kaizen event or blitz is a process in which team members in a process quickly, sometimes take 3 to 5 days, work together to improve a process. They then ensure that their process improvement sustains itself. Question number 6. When there are different manufactured products with similar attributes, they could most likely be produced in A. High-speed flow line, B. Kanban square, C. Work cell, D. Machine center. The correct answer is C. A work cell allows different products that have similar attributes to be manufactured together. This allows low volume, high variety products to be produced more closely to demand. Question number 7. A new video game gets introduced to the marketplace. The demand is huge in the first 6 weeks and then tapers off to a steady rate, slightly declining over time. This is an example of A. Life cycle trend, B. Seasonality, C. Trending, D. Promotional. The correct answer is A. All products have life cycles, and understanding where in the life cycle the product is helps to predict the demand. In the case of the video game, there is a huge demand in the early life of the game as the buzz around the game is generated. Once the initiation introduction period is over, the game will usually find a steady state with a slight decline as everyone who wants the game has purchased it. Question number 8. The term independent forecast is best described as A. Demand coming from higher level demand, B. Demand for a component part, C. Demand which is for a finished good, D. Demand which is calculated by the bill of materials. The correct answer is C. Independent demand is for a finished good or service part. It is independent from any other demand. Dependent demand is demand which comes from high level demand such as component part. Question number 9. A key feature of the Delphi method of forecast development is A. Anonymity throughout the process, B. Statistical models to analyze data. C. Forecast error calculations to the sixth decimal. B. The use of questionnaires. The correct answer is A. The Delphi method of developing a forecast utilizes a panel of experts answering a series of questionnaires anonymously. While many forecasting methods use questionnaires, the Delphi method uses a series of questions in which the panel of experts have no interaction with each other. This allows a forecaster to reach a more accurate consensus about the future. Question number 10. The larger the MAD, the A. Lower the forecast error. B. Greater the forecast error. C. Greater the weighing of the mean. D. Lower the weighing of the mean. The correct answer is B. Mean absolute deviation is measuring the variations from the mean. So the larger the number, the greater the forecast error. Question number 11. Pricing the new product properly is a key component to the product being accepted and purchased in the market. An important part of the pricing strategy is to A. Test different prices in different markets. B. Set the price and see if it sells. C. Position the price in between competitors' prices. D. Price the product according to other internal products. The correct answer is A. Pricing is a key component to the success of selling a new product. Often pricing should be set based on testing different prices in different markets. This allows you to find the maximum price that can be charged so the new product is not priced too low, but also to not charge so much that the product does not sell. Many times a product rollout is expensive and it requires a one-time pricing choice. Question number 12. A company has decided to standardize one SKU size for its product. This is an example of A. Universality, B. Component commonality, C. Part modularity, D. Mass customization. The correct answer is B. Component commonality is used whenever possible to replace a variety of components with a standard component without affecting the quality. The component commonality should be easily obtainable. Question number 13. A major problem in gathering forecast information from the sales force is that they A. Never have all the facts, B. Are overly pessimistic, C. Are overly optimistic, D. Use too many statistics. The correct answer is C. Generally, salespeople are very optimistic people. They must be in order to perform their job. As such, they will tend to be optimistic in the amount of business they can close. This will lead to an overly optimistic forecast from the sales force. Many of the today's CRM packages try to use a sale process to make the sales forecast more process oriented. This provides some discipline to the forecasting process. Question number 14. One of the strategies used to reduce inventory and reduce stockout issues is VMI. This stands for A. Vendor managed inventory, B. Vendor managed information, C. Virtually managed inventory, D. Virtually managed information. The correct answer is A. VMI is the acronym for Vendor Managed Inventory, a process where the vendor takes over the management of their inventory and sometimes their competitor as well to improve inventory turns and in-stock percentages. The inventory may or may not be owned by the supplier. Question number 15. Which of the following best describes the phrase over-the-wall design process? A. Designs developed in modular teams. B. Thinking outside the box in regards to design. C. Preparing the market research prior to design. D. Sequential design steps done by functional departments. The correct answer is D. An over-the-wall design process means the design process happens in sequential steps and moves from one functional department to the next. For example, marketing passes their information regarding the customer needs, market channels, etc. to the engineering department who designs the product. They then pass it to the manufacturing department who makes the product per the engineering specs. Viewers, if you find value in this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and pressing the bell icon. Thank you.